What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? Hey, Lord of mercy. Uno no hear say Pastor give us a piece of him tongue. Hey, the man talk not in tongues, but him give her peace. Him never shalom should have been I give you a him never give her peace so. Him give her it raw as ever. But it take him a time before him reach up the hill. Me I wonder if him a coward. Yes man, cause him talk. And when him talk, before him really reach where him want get, it coming like him a one of them old time Lil and Chuck. Where you have to glow it before it start. Once it park for a while, you have a thing then called glow. You have to glow it. For it eat up the engine before it start. You have some chuck, you also have to start them, make them chuck a little bit before they move. Just like some trailer chuck, the big chuck, them we have to develop here. You have to start it for a while. It coming like pasta one of them something there. Because it take too long. Me never know if they're gonna reach there and it surprise me though. I never, but on starting video, me I said Jesus Christ and what pastor go do, you know pastor go rebuke master. No sir. One night time me start look for your Bible because me want to help him. Me want to help him. But me couldn't find a Bible. Jesus peace, because when master say yes. When pastor say, yes man, I come out here for one personal person. I'm going to be directive to one person. I say, Lord God, social media turn churchyard now, people go get baptized. Pastor take him time in a one gear. When pastor reach Mount Rasa, him go for the second. And he never go for the third and the fourth until, because you know you can't go up a Mount Rasa in a high speed, you have to go up in a low gear. When they reach the top of Mount Rasa, Jesus Christ, the man coming like them old chopper out the road where I drive the markets and the beam of them. Where I make you all heap of nice. Baka! Baka! So pastor step up a gear in a man. Hey! Speak my mind people. It's not going to be long. But I want to enjoy it. So guess what? In the meantime, wanna like, share, and subscribe. As you hit the video, please to like the video. And remember, please to watch the ads. That's what give the channel a revenue. So I can help to give back to the needy. Instead of come out here preaching and begging for donation to give to people and promise them all my might and then me can't give it to them. People, and remember, Life is a Mission TV, the backup channel, it's over there. Give it a subscription. And remember, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. When me a beg on over a year and a half now, if it does make reach, me tired, I want to get rid of. I want to get rid of that channel there for my head now. It just coming like man said, it just stagnant for me so. Because them now post no whole heap of content in a man. It just stagnant for me so now move, no help me move it no man. Give me all of the energy want to save and give me and give me to help me move that channel, the Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Who not subscribe yet? Just give me some energy and help me move it. It want like what? 143 more subscribers for reach the 1,000. Please. Yes man. And at the same time, remember one of the door. She and her mother run a small business. The business page is on Instagram. Charmed and Trend. That is charmed _ and trends. Yes. Go follow the page. Check out the page, the business page, and go on the website and order something like how cheap it is. A support your support, and what you have and can afford, you have to spend. Me just want to know your support. Show some love. Alright? And the charm spelled CHARMED. That's charmed. _AND _trends. TRENDS. Just go over there. A whole heap of things over there to no liking, man. Because I know good things and nice things, you know. And remember, you can get it customized. And the next thing, once you say Speak Me Mind, send you in the code box, they so just give the code, because one box, the way I sitting there, the way you say Speak Me Mind, send you get 20% off. One more on that you want. Just say Speak Me Mind. And you get 20% off. Alright? Bless up. And the cash up in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. When you give me use the give back to the needy. I want to know what's the project me on. to get the small 6 cubit or 8 cubit fridge for this small basic school. Alright? Me do all of me chatting, you know. Me feel like me might wanna go hear me in the background, cause me I go way up on my bed there so go low plaster, cause me don't want when time me dash out in tongue go catch me, cause me not like when man tongue catch me. No, me not hear that. So me not want when him a rebuke and him a shibuke and a shalamba and shalomba. You understand? Not no catch me, so me a stay far. Me a stay far. Cause me not want me and pastor fi war. So me make sure me a stay far. Far, far, I make him a mass ya war. Oh God, cause me a stay far. Me a stay far. Me say me a stay far. Cause me no want me a pastor fi war. Cause me a leave him fi him a mass ya war. So me a stay far. Listen people, gone on my bed and go eat my little snacks.
Good afternoon, social media.
Good afternoon, Pastor.
All of you.
What's your name again? Sean Miller. Good afternoon.
Especially to my fellow Jamaicans that are in social media behaving badly. I will say it again, and I will make it clear for those of you that are uneducated,
Marcia,
unable
when
to
you gonna do
communicate
this
with fussing and cussing and
still have my
behaving
belly, they look like
market people.
some D, as what you did say. But when you're
I
one
came
there,
on and I was very clear.
you know you're a little under wrap something, you don't even know what quality board underneath it. I'm gonna have pallet board make it. You can't match up your belly to this. Your belly on the more fashionable.
It is going to cost
Because of
bloodshed.
later style.
Today I'm going to go
But not
very
expensive
direct
like this.
and speak to Marcia Campbell, Sister Marcia Campbell. But before I get to you, sister, let me reiterate and say what I was saying, and I'll say what I have said, and I will keep on saying what the Lord has given me to say. Call me whatever you want to call me. Call me the next Kevin Smith and call me false prophet and liar and Obi and what does you guys call me? A cult pastor, you dumb.
You know, with me night, you know.
You don't even know what you're talking
with me,
about.
with me night.
Okay? I'll say it again. I mention those that I have given charitable to because it was a point I was making. I have no sides. I love our people, and if every one of us are on here doing an objective that is great and meeting a need and blessing our community, I am right there with you. I don't care if you're PMP or Labourite. I don't care if you're Blancas. I don't care if you're for Sister D over here, so and whoever else. I will support my community.
Pastor Billy
You all
Momentum.
are a
So
part
just go and
of
listen,
our
Pastor. Me not
community.
talk.
And that is the reason why I made mention of the woman of God, what me call woman of God, and one that is
Me
have a
think Pastor out
charitable
of
heart
social
that is
media more,
doing
so we can't
well.
do less talking.
I don't know her.
Unlike the old
She has
culprit them.
not said to me. I have never been paid. Nobody's ever said to me do this and that and come out and defend. I have nobody can get me to do nothing like that. However, based upon the video I viewed and I saw certain things, I address that matter. Now, I am sure that those of you may have other information and have other opinions concerning said individuals and other charity and vloggers and bloggers, the donors and givers that are online. Fine. I don't know the 99 and a half that everybody else know. However, based upon what I am seeing, and you all must agree with this one thing. This one lady has made some of you happy, some of you upset, some for, and some against her. Why? Because of her success. Period. Whether you want to believe she is this way successful, that way successful, or she gained her success this year or that way, it doesn't matter. When I see love in action, it's good enough for me. And so, the Bible declares, let me say it again, in Proverbs 17 and verse 13, when someone has done good, and you take the good that person have done and turn against that person, the Bible said, evil will never leave your house. That goes for the lady that you build a house for, and whether or not they're friends today and friends not tomorrow. I've seen enough to know and to make a calculated and educated response based upon what has been in the media. It's out there. And so when I got up the morning and the Lord said, speak to them, they're going to wreck each other. And it's simple. I made clear judgment about what I was saying.
Man says, "Son, push me off and make me reach on my bed foot." Well, 4 times for reach on my bed foot. All you have to push on your reach.
Twist what I have said and try to change the narrative and the message of me addressing. My response and my warning and my message was clear. Come together as one. Stop the cussing and tearing down each other. And I only see it among the Jamaican
but some of them can't stop faster.
social media, and it looks terrible. So when
the only thing them can do to survive.
I must not come out here and that she will do whatever, I just laugh because I'm saying to myself, social media is a safe space for anything to go down. So you can't
someone of a plank up,
say what you want to say about me. Doesn't matter.
one of my One Nation
I was
subscriber.
clear, and I know why I said what I said.
From
no punch, no
grassroots today with me. Before even YouTube channel, social media. Yeah, man.
Approach to anybody specific, but to the entire
support you say, no?
world on social media. That is fighting each other. It is horrible. It puts us in a bad light as Jamaicans, and we're not that. When we come together, we can do some great and mighty things.
Come in, Pastor.
So
warm up, warm up.
Who felt offended that I said what I did and who I gave to and what, that was not the objective. The objective was to show you that collectively as a community, I have been where everyone is, and I'm right there to support everyone. And that's the objective I want everybody to have. So if Sister Lady is selling her sheet, the man she need help her, come, let's help her. If Sister Lady is building a house, let's help her. If a
No. Hold on the pastor. Sister Lady now build a house. It's gonna take too much to maintain. But at the same time, she asks God to give her house. So basically, it's like she no want to build no house from fear money or from scratch. Because she said, months ago, weeks ago, she no want no clad house, she no want no clad house, she no want moving up the clad with no house and where. Because no found no house and a fear rent it out. No found no house and no can maintain it. Then you have house, you have to maintain it. So me never know say house have to maintain every day. You have to buy paint change, window change, door, and you know, house tap and all them sitting there. Me never know. But all of a sudden, she want God give her house next year and riches and husband. So wait, I gotta go maintain the house next year. When God give the house next year, who's going to maintain that house? Eh? Oh. So what God give you, it no need maintenance, cause anything God give, you don't need to help yourself after. I want you remember the scripture say, God help those that help themselves. So when you get that the house there from God, remember you have to maintain it same way. So pastor, she not build no house, so you don't have to worry about that part there.
If we need to build a hospital, a grocery store, let's come
you
together.
Need to build a mental health center.
Come on, man.
Any hospital you build must be a mental health hospital for all of them there.
Sister Marcia Campbell, you will sing all of the gospel song then before you start the cussing. And then you
mix God with yeah man, so she stay. I say God is with her.
In my study, I came out because
it's not kind of a fair time.
Very busy. And believe it or not, I am busy winning souls. And I'm busy doing the work of the Lord. I don't have time for the foolishness. So somebody called me and said, Prophet, you need to listen to this. And I heard when you say you're going to give back the $1,000 that was given to you.
True. That she said. Just as though she had said 9 months ago. Just heard the pastor.
I give from my heart.
Dress
And I
her up, Pastor,
don't give to
because
the
me and you know the
recognize.
same thing,
In
and
fact,
many
I
more
made it
know the
very
same
clear.
thing what you going to say.
The reason
But
why
dress her up
finances
properly
was
there.
ever mentioned, how much was
When she
given
did
to you, and that
desperate,
was
she grab it
one
fast
way
like
of
a
giving.
hungry
Let's
belly
not
fish,
talk
a
about
grab
the
on
other
pan a
ways.
hook alone.
Okay,
When I
so
have no bait.
that one came out because I explained to you when I
When you
sought
give her the
Dr.
thousand, she
Love's
grab it like a
direction
hungry belly
how
fish
to
in
be
a
a
water,
blessing on
grab hook without
social
bait.
media to all the different givers around the Christmas time. He told me how to do it. You got upset because you didn't want nobody to know that you were being given to.
True, that's one of the main thing. And the second thing, because you come through Dr. Love as well, you say. And from Dr. Love, no, Jesus, peace, they just hurt up her head. And me, I say, from them, the time there, you should have given that the money there if you did so cockatty and hype. If you did any celebrity, and up on top of your game, from you here say Dr. Love involved, you should have given that the $1,000 there. But what you do? You still grab it just as me say. Like a fisher grab off a hook without a bait because you were so hungry. You were so desperate. You were so needy. And probably is the first you may ever get $1,000 given to you by any given person or organization for your personal self. So you couldn't turn down that. You couldn't pass it. Not to mention the time when it were given to you. Remember? The time it given to you? You were so desperate. You were holding on so tight to stay in the Marriott that anything comes your way. If it's even your enemies that you know, if it was even the same Dr. Love, give you that $1,000, you'd have take it. Because you were so desperate in need of cash to keep yourself warm from the winter in the Marriott. And this is why this year you make sure that not reach you. And that's why you come out now. You use recipient for earn money. Continue, Pastor.
When it came out and I saw Dr. Love, you were having a problem with Dr. Love.
Right, because she had him she had him not take tea.
Like
So when him know all of this, she did vex and upset, but she did have to take him money. She couldn't do no better.
Because of your corrupt behavior and bad mind, you
So
think
true.
that my giving or my speaking about that to Dr. Love was to do you some disinjustice, and that was not the...
And it go back to what me are saying on people. There is so many things good I run through our head at the time. Dr. Love, Pastor, Dr. Love, all this pastor you're so generous. And I lick heads with Dr. Love. No, I don't want the money. And that's why I know me different from some people, you know. Because me could have never take that money. Whether it mean for good or it mean for bad, me not take it. Because you see the man where I give me the money, you see who him associate with. Jesus, please. Not when me and him I go through. I could never ever take that money. With you licking heads with that man, with when me and him I go through. But as me say, you has no other choice. And when a man take up 1,000 where you never ever get yet from a sole individual to you personally, I never think none of the man them will ever give you dicky in the whole of your life. Baby father, husband, from deportee, from supportee, from all of who you lie down with. Never ever take up $1,000 give. So I understand. I more than understand. Me under lie down right now. Me under sit down. Me can understand too. When you did take that $1,000. You couldn't have refused it. You see, in life, you have to be strong. Especially when it comes on to money. You have to be real strong to refuse some money. Some money not worth taking. Not saying pastor money never worth taking, you know. But you see the acquaintance of who pastor was with. Make me uno take that the money then. If me in a your position. Knowing that me and this man here go back and forth, back and forth. Knowing that you wanted to keep undercover as pastor say. You never wanted to blow it in the ear. And you know one way or the other with this man involved, it will come out. If not today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, it will come out. So that make it worse. Me a bite me lip and squeeze me toe. Me not take your money. But you couldn't do without it because why? The life where you want to live, you would make any sacrifice, even against yourself, just to live the life where you want to live into the Marriott. Remember you saying your sister after your 3 months stay free of cost, in the same big house where you come on social media and brag and boast about, Your sister offer you 6 months free of cost, no rent, no bills. Well, me never know how the food part go. You understand? And you say you refuse it. You know the reason why you refuse it? Because certain privilege you wanna have it. But guess what me know? You couldn't bend your mind for that 3 months there and adjust yourself to the circumstances. To build yourself with all those money that you take and pay at the Marriott. So when the 3 months up and you move on, you're in on good footing. You couldn't adjust yourself. And it has been proven that you can't do nothing to adjust yourself, and that's why you're not going to be better off in your life. You're going to stay as how you is the rest of your life till Father God say your time. You barely hold out for that 12 or 13 day revival or 10th or whatsoever. In not coming out here to cuss because you were tempted many nights after church. Which after you done the service, you should not even go on live. But you try to hold it and you do hold it. But how long you did you hold it for? I did pretend. Just give you 2 or 3 days after it. And so said, so done. So you're not a person who can adjust. Because if you could have adjust, you'd have go at your sister and save all that money you spend at the Marriott. But because of the hype life where you want to live and you want to prove on social media what you can do, what you do, the life where you live and all those stuff, you couldn't play yourself down because you watch who in a social media. And that's why you end up how you end up. And that's why you have to take past 1,000. Yeah, man, that's why you have to take it. You couldn't go past it. Probably at the time too, you go at your last straw at the hotel and I wonder what next. And that's why when pastor come, you say, Lord, I never know say people in high places watches me. Pastors. One pastor, showing $8,000, watches you and tell you that he likes you. And despite the bad words that you cuss. Yes, man.
That was not the point. I would not infringe upon your freedom and your privacy. Again, this is all new to me, and I always want to be a part of the giving,
listening about
the charity.
Tip masterpiece and tongue it come up here now.
It's charity that has brought me here, and it is
Listen, so the man calm, cool and collective.
I listen to
man, I got just change gear and drive out of sight.
And it's so sad that because of you and your Christianity, it puts all of us now in the bad light as if all Christians are the same way.
Coming up.
Behave yourself. You know and I know you don't have no $1,000 to give anybody. Do I look like I need $1,000 from you?
True. That's why I say she a talk about mountain, and as a matter of fact, I might just give it back to you before mountain and I can't get it to borrow. Master. Pastor, I one thing me sure know. Me leave now say next week, this week or me I wait till right after the new month. Because I will know if the $1,000 I give back, because I know you come out, you come say it. You say you don't want it back, You want to give it to the woman when need that same $1,000. So make sure pass it on to you so you can't give it to the woman. Because if she can't give the woman from the sheet sales, how shall I give it to you? So if so be the case, yes man, don't refuse it, pastor. Take it and get the woman address, contact number, contact her, the woman down a George's Lane and give her the $1,000. Because you don't want back that money then. Make sure you know you don't want it back. So like how she feel like she depend high ass now ride and she cockatty. Make she gear back. She don't need it now. 1 year actually since she gear it. And she say she will gear back and she can't gear back. Till another winter come catch her, you know. So if she really come up front with the 1,000 pastor, take it. And when you take it and come tell your life, say you take it. And get in contact with the woman down at George's Lane. If you want to know, you can chase back with them one of my life them or somebody live, and you can get the address of the woman, and I think her phone number did also give one number did also give out for her. And you must can reach somebody in Jamaica. If you go reach her, because you don't have to reach her through Marcia, for Marcia take back the money. You understand? So once she send you the money, you just reach out to somebody. I think I don't remember the address, but I can find it for you if you want it. Because I know the live when I do it when it come out. Where the address for she live come out. So she said, don't expose the address, and no man still expose her address. So take it past her if she a gear back. Because we know so she not have it, you know. But if she a gear back because of shame face, or she feel like she want to prove that God has opened ways for her for the little 12 days that she go and sow seeds. That's what she said. Marcia, you see them now bloom, Marcia. You know, see a catch crop you're trying, it still now bloom. You know, see a rainy time now. Catch crop not good for plant them your time, yeah. Because you will flood out. Your farm will flood out with catch crop them your time, yeah. Catch crop can't manage them your weather, yeah. You're idiot, yo. You're fool, yo.
I am not running up and down from apartment to apartment.
Listen.
I do not have an eye problem, an ear problem, a heart problem, nor do I cuss out people the way you do and then go and speak in tongues and listen to me.
Give it to her. Give it to them. Give it to them.
Like SARS and Galang. Terrible. But I intend to behave myself today. Behave yourself. And by the way, give me a call so I can give the charity that you're doing the $1,000 up front so you can stop struggling. I will help you. You need help? Call me and let me help you out. But behave yourself, because you know and I know, so you don't have no $1,000 to give nobody. Stop it.
Well, we know that, Pastor. She really don't have no $1,000. But when me I say yes to people, man say not take shame face. See, Pastor want help the woman they know. Don't take shame face. You beg and you plead on your life today. For people to reach out to her because you not help her no more after you get the stove and ray. So people reach out to her. Reach out to Pastor and give Pastor the number if you don't want to deal with it. And make Pastor reach out. Don't take shame face and block the woman blessing. If you really want to help this woman, that's where you come and you plea because I don't know you want to help this woman. And you throw her off a board. But it's till you go pick up people with a lie here. Eh? You want to help this woman so much that you have begged, say you're done with her and you're this and after you get the stuff and get this, you're done with her more than you. All you do is collect little clothes, see her, little wear and left clothes and want new clothes and way. But yet still, you don't finish with this woman because whatsoever I transpire with you getting backlash. The amount of backlash you and your friend them get 99. You shouldn't come out and come and talk about backlash. But you dump the woman and I go pick up people. Next family alive here now. Make sure you don't block the woman blessing. Your pastor just said a while ago, get in contact with him, make him help the charity where you want the $1,000 to do. And him never said the 1,000 where you go give him back. Him said he will give the charity the $1,000. Because earlier on, him said him no want no $1,000 from you back. Because him no give and take back. And him no give for clout. So, either way, it's either you go and link up Pastor and make Pastor give a fresh $1,000 towards the charity if you give the woman and all and none. Or big and bold. Like how Pastor said that. You say, alright Pastor, listen, you see like how you said that you don't want back your money. See $1,000, I am sending it off to the woman. And make sure the woman get it because God sit high and him look low. So he will know. And you don't want your bully for blessing when give you know, because I don't know the abundant amount of blessing Father God give in less than a month. For somebody where behave the way you behave. And so much people out here who is godly. You understand? And give them heart to the Almighty. Still in the line waiting and you get. And get so much that you can come out here come talk. Oh, I don't want nobody buying a sheet from me. I can't stop the social media and selling a sheet. Where I can't sell a sheet right back until December. So I don't know where God bless you with so you know. So here what? take $1,000, give the woman. But make sure you have proof so the woman get $1,000. Pastor say him don't want it. But as pastor say, we know. You know. Social media know. We don't know if your members lonely, them know. Say you don't have no $1,000 to give back. If you even have $1,000 in your position, Marcia, you cannot afford to give it. It either come like me have these people. It either come like me have a... See it here? This is $100 right here. $520. And it's like me and a man that in a some argument. I mean, only $100 this me have in my life. And me can't afford to fool around with it. Me have to spend it wisely. At the present moment, I own $100. Word saying, you know. But it's still me and a man that some problem. I'm going to tell him say me can't dash it to him. Dash it what? How me fi dash my last money where me have? If me fi dash this right now, I brave heart and prove me approve things. Because me don't know where the next one I come from. That me even afraid to spend one out of it. Me even afraid to spend one left for, which is $80. Much as you got dash the whole of this to prove to all you. So Marcia, we know you cannot give back that $1,000 because you have prove a point and then you're going to left yourself in arrears. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself. I know me do it a pastor say it. Me the doctor say relax. I want to call me so I don't want looking at my face. And that's why I come. Oh! And me boy, I don't want to search. I know baby, me don't know about that. Me don't know. The 3 baby will left in my back. I sell them. So any woman who cannot get pregnant by her man or her husband, yes, check me, link me up. But the man have to agree because I don't want the man see me on the road and use car lick me down. Whether foreign or abroad, they may come here. Or yeah, they may come here, come do it. So no more baby now. So I don't know if them tell me say, Daddy let me out, Daddy let me out. Me don't know, Daddy let me out. No more now let out on my responsibility. So you can't come buy them 3 left here. If no more, but me know about 3. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Go ahead and give her a subscription. And remember, our young business, charms and trends, go support. And the cash app pin, $, Life is a Mission TV. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. Bless upon yourself. Pastor same say. Pastor give Marcia a piece of him tongue, but him not do it in a oh show my shunda. I wanna see how him do it straight up, plain and up and make sure call her out. Bless up. I'm out.